We're getting ready to go ride our bikes. And at Walmart, if you have the Walmart app, you can get free samples. And today, the other day it was like Tabasco sauce, and then...
Didn't you not get that?
I didn't get it. I got cough drops once, but today I think it was like the best one. I got a pop socket. And I'm not going to tell you what it's for, but...
Because that would be free advertising.
Yeah, it's an advertisement, but I wouldn't ever buy a pop socket. I think they're very feminine, but I got one for free, so I'm pretty excited about that. No.
I always slip.
All right, Allison, this is going to be for you. All right, Allison, that's where the trail is you want to go. I'm going to stop. So before we went on our little bike ride, I knew that my gears in the back needed adjusted, and I thought my dad and I had done it right, but then once I actually got on it, I found that it needed to be adjusted even more. And as you'll see, this wasn't the only time I did it. It was just the first time. Good job! Yeah! How'd you feel?
My eyes water a lot with wind.
I understand how I need to adjust my bike now. My back brake hasn't been working very well. All right, well, my brake hasn't been working very well. And I just realized why. Thankfully, I'm able to look at my wife's bike, Brianna's bike, and see how hers is adjusted relative to mine. I'm able to make adjustments that way. So I'm trying to make mine look just like hers does, because I tried her bike earlier and realized that the brake works like really well for her, but mine doesn't. And I don't know if this is the right way to adjust this necessarily, but oh yeah, that works so much better. Wow. So that did it. Hopefully you can see that on camera. Can you pull the back brake? And you can see it move. That's where it needed to be, and it was all the way back here. So when I pulled up on the brakes, it was really only coming to like right there before. So problem solved, and now I'm not crashing when I go fast down a hill. I've really done a lot of maintenance to this bike today.
That's good.
I think just now I got the gears situated a little bit better. Can you record me doing it once? So at this point, Brianna went on the lower trail and I was up on top trying to beat her to the bottom. Hi, baby! Okay, here it comes. I'm about to head down the hill. Here we go. Here it comes. Oh my goodness, it's a dog onto the field. Yeah, that's right, Aaron. Let's take one more look at that. As he comes down the final jump, the dog comes right in the path, and by this point he's running away, trying to get back to his owner. That's right. Wow. Poor baby. Baby. I'm gonna do like this whole thing once because the battery's about to die, so I'm gonna go all the way to the end.
Okay, I'll do that too.
Okay, go in front of me.
You'll go faster than me.
No, I'll wait until you're like further and then I'll go. Here we go.
So I'm pretty sure on that final run on the track that as I was going around a corner a little too fast, maybe I didn't have enough pressure in the tire or something, but I think I rolled it, and by the time we started to head back to the car, the tire was going flat, so I had to pump it up on the way back. Haven't checked it yet, but we'll see what happened. I'm not sure. I don't think I had a sticker in it. It just all of a sudden started to go flat, so I don't know. We'll see.
Good job.
What'd you think?
Maybe.